Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity surveying and valuation. I am Dr. Umesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Earthwork for roads and canals. How to calculate pitched area, I explained in previous videos. Now, how to calculate cutting and embankment of canal or roads. Here in this problem, reduced level given. See this problem, reduced level of ground level along the center of line of a proposed road from a chain is 10 to chain is 20 are given below. From chain is, we'll start from 0, but here the values in the problem given 10 to chain is to 20th chain is are given below. The formation level at the 10th chain is 107 meters and road is downward gradient of 1:150. That is, suppose 150 meters, 1 meters downward gradient. Okay, for 1 meter will be reduced by in 1 meter, 150 meter length up to 14th chain is. See, there are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 chains are there. At the 14th chain is, again gradient changes that instead of 1:150, it is changed to 1:100 downwards. The formation width is of road is 10 meters and side slope banking are 2:1. Length of chain is 30 meters. See, this is very important. Okay, calculate the quantity of. Here, what we have to observe, first, how many chains? 10 to 20. 10, 11, you have to write like this. What is formation level is 107 meters. And downward gradient is 1:150, right? And 1:100 from 14th onwards, 14th to 20th. Formation width is 10 meters and slope is 2:1. The length of the chain is usually 30 meters or 20 meters sometimes. Generally 30 meters. Calculate the quantity of earthwork. This is the problem. How to solve? See, here chain is 10th chain is, 11th chain is, 12th chain is, 30th, 14th. Here up to here is 1:1, 1:150 downward gradient. From 14th to 20th, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, the gradient is 1:100 for 100 meter, 1 meter. So this is here you have to observe. So it is like, just like it will be changed like this. Okay, suppose it is slope is like this. From here slope is not like this. So just like this. Okay, see, first one slope is more. Okay, second one slope is not more, like this. Okay, 1:100, this is 1:150. This is from 14th to your 20th chain. Okay, see, this way you have to understand, right? And RL of ground level, reduced level of ground level, 105 meters, 10.56, 10.544, and 10.59 meters, 10.542, 1.0, 10.43, 105, 10.104.1, 104.62, 10.00, 10.33. These are ground level. Formation level, in the given in the problem is this 107, right? This is in the given problem 107. At the starting point is 107. Then downwards it reduced to like this, okay? And ground level is given, okay? We know RL and formation level, ground level. So if you make these two difference, you will get height D1, D2, D3. Say here if you see here 107 minus, first one is RL 105, that equal to 2. That is here D1, right? Similarly, if you go for this one, second one, for example, here 10.68, 106.8 minus, what is RL level? 105.6, that is equal to 1.2. See, this is D2. Similarly, if you subtract from RL to formation minus RL ground, you will get D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one will be more D1 to D11. Okay, D0. Actually, this is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4. Like that, we have to calculate. After calculation, we have a table. We have to substitute this in the table. Okay. See, these problems generally will get in JNT examinations for 10 marks question. See, chain is at the chain is 10. What is the height or depth? Formation level minus reduced level. You can have one more column here, or you can directly calculate from your problem. That is 107 minus 105. That is formation level minus reduced level. You will get 2. This is, you can say, D0. This is again D1 is 1.2. Then D3 1.16. Like that, D4.5. D6 5.78. Like that, 6, 1.6, 7.6. Similarly, others. Mean depth 2 plus 1 point here 1.6. This is DM. And central area BD. B is, you have that, what is given B here. Here B is the problem. What is B? What is B? B is formation width is here 10 meters. Okay. Here 10 meters. So B is here 10 meters. Now 10 into 1.6 is 16. Then side area S, and S is 2 into D 2 square. So like that, BD ST square. Length of between in the chain edge is 30. That you will get 633.6. Similarly, you take these two averages. Okay. Similarly, they take these two averages. Right? See, if you see these two averages here, if you take these two averages, right, this is 1.18. You calculate this chain is and quantity. Like that, A1, A2, A3, you will get quantities, right? See, similarly, you have to calculate for D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and C, D7, D8. Here, chain is height, mean height, central area, side area, total area, length between chain is quantity, in cutting, right? See, next one is here. This is 17 chain is, 18 chain is, 19 chain is, 20th chain is. See here 1.21 is D at this level. Okay, this is BD. Okay, here area into length, you will get quantity. Similarly, 18 chain is you will get this quantity. 19 chain is you get this quantity. 20th chain is you will get quantity. If you add total quantity of the banking or cutting, if negative will come, your separate column, you have to post that value in the separate column. That is cutting. Banking, cutting. There are two columns. So here there is no need of cutting. So this banking originality is there. So add these all quantities, you will get total quantity of your problem. See, in this way you have to calculate total quantity of the earthwork by using your RL of ground, RL of formation level. How to get D1, D2 depths? That reduced level formation minus reduced level of ground. You will get that heights D0, D1, D2, D3. From that one, we have to tabulate in the formulate this chainage height, mean height, and central area, side area, total area, length. Length is given 30 meters your chainage, and you will get quantity, and you have to calculate similarly for 20th chainage and add total quantities. You will get total quantity of the earthwork. See, this is the way by using even if gradients given. Maybe upward gradients may be there. So in this way you have to solve the problem. Thank you. Thank you all.